Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. In one of my classes this week, we got talking about gender stereotypes and about celebrities over the years who have either conformed to or, often more interestingly, defied the gender stereotypes which existed in their society at any given moment. I was talking about how David Bowie had a huge impact on my generation here in the UK because he essentially redefined the possibilities of masculinity. He broadened the different ways in which it was possible to think about being a man. Another student mentioned Harry Styles, a pop star from England who recently did a photo shoot wearing a dress. As we were discussing all of this, another student pointed out that in the old days, women wearing trousers was basically seen as outrageous and shocking. It wasn't socially acceptable. It was beyond the pale. If you talk about someone's behaviour or actions as being beyond the pale, you basically mean they're outside the limits of acceptable behaviour. They're seen as being unacceptable to the speaker, to the society at large. For example, here in the UK, we're culturally conditioned to find dog meat, the idea of eating dog meat, beyond the pale. At the same time as dogs and horses and cats are taboo and the idea of eating them is beyond the pale, people will still eat lamb or beef or pork without a second thought. For me personally, I swear quite a lot, as some of you may have noticed from some of my videos, or if you've ever met me. But I personally find racist words to be basically completely beyond the pale. I can't really think of any situation in which it's acceptable to use racial slurs or negative racist words. They're just beyond the pale. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of behaviour or attitudes or things that you think are beyond the pale.